Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start in Apple Notes. Open the app and pick a note or create one now. Tap the camera icon, then choose Scan Documents. This launches the live scanner. Hold your device steady and move until Notes detects edges, automatically or manually capture. Use steady lighting and a contrasting background so text is clear for scanning. Once the frame looks right, tap to capture or let the app auto-snap. This quick start gets your pages into Notes ready for cleanup. Once you have captures, review them one by one. Tap an image to enter edit mode. You can drag corners to crop tighter, rotate if needed, and use the built-in filters, auto for quick fixes, color or black and white for high contrast, because clear text improves readability and OCR. Add more pages with the plus button or long press to reorder pages. If a shot is blurry, retake it. These middle steps refine your document so the final export looks professional and is searchable. After adjustments, tap Save to embed the scanned document into your note. To share, tap the share icon and export as PDF, mail, or save to files. This makes distribution easy. Notes uses live text /OCR on supported devices, so scanned text becomes searchable. Make sure live text is enabled. If text is missing or images are blurry, retry with stronger lighting, a steady hand, or a contrasting background.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.